Hi guys, this is Lars Pearson here with MarineMax in Ship Bottom, New Jersey. I'm sitting on the brand new 2021 Scout 235 Dorado. Sitting right back here in the transom. As you can see, we got a nice live well back here. It's a great dual purpose boat. It could really take the family out, cruising, sandbar, restaurant hopping. And then at the same time, have some rods and reels on here for when you're ready to go fluking or something like that. So you see here, we got a nice bench seat back here in the transom. Folds away right, nice and neatly, like that, real easy. Bilge compartment down here on the Scout, it's all finished off. Great to keep it clean. We got a 300 Mercury on the back of this boat, Dorado. Got a nice platform back here to walk across. No trip hazards. Got some nice sea deck on there as well. As you notice, there's rod holders across the transom too. As I'm pointing out, it's a dual purpose boat. Really great for the family. So we got a seat here that transitions. You can either sit forward or sit aft. As I'm walking underneath the Bimini top here. This is a Bimini top. It also can come with a hard top too if you option it out that way. A little galley here, sink. It's a Yeti cooler that'll pull out from under there. Nice little cutting board. Nice little cubby for phones and stuff. You got some power charging ports there as well. Up here at the helm, you got a nice touchscreen Garmin, glove compartment, trim tabs on this boat with indicators, as well as you got your mercury gauges and your fusion radio. This nice helm seat here too folds this up so you can sit up higher. You can fold that back down, sit lower. It also will turn, swivel, and adjust that way. The one amazing thing about this boat is what I'm grabbing onto right here. This is all fiberglass. They actually mold this in. It's something that no other manufacturer is really doing in this size of boat. Gives it great lines, beautiful look. Very, very cool innovation from Scout. You got your port seat, which is very similar to the helm seat here. As you can see, it's facing aft. There's a table that'll pull up. It'll slide out from the gunnel there. Now moving forward, do you have a nice head compartment on this boat? You can see you got some faux teak finishing down there. Very nice touch. This is a wind door, so you can close this and the windshield on those colder days. Right now it's September. You might want to keep this closed when you're running around with the family, keep it a little warmer. Then you get storage under here. It's also access to your switching breakers, stuff like that. Now up here in the bows, you can see nice wraparound seating. So you can sit any which way you want on this. You're still going to be comfortable. You got backrests, you got some speakers up here. You got a bunch of cup holders, which is great. So you could have 4 people up here, everyone gets a cup holder. You got 2 cup holders here, 2 cup rod holders over here, so you could fish off the bow and keep drinks in them. Nice touch. And here's the anchor locker as well. Again, this has been Lars with MarineMax here in Ship Bottom, New Jersey, and this is the Scout 2021 235 Dorado. If you're interested in this boat or any other boat, give us a call at 609-494-2102. Thanks.